Welcome to Get Off My Perch. I will have drone videos, some mountain bike videos, app reviews, as well as reviews of mostly tech products I have used or have tried to use. So check in every once in a while to see what I might have. If you like what you see, a subscribe and like is always appreciated. Enjoy the video and thank you for watching. So did you see the warmth change in the colors of this video? That is something that's the Autel seems to have an issue with, and well, I'll be honest, it's partially my fault too, because I'm using mostly automatic settings, and I really need to start using more manual settings to make sure I don't have changes like that happen in the middle of the clip. So anyway, as I get better with that and the flying of this drone, you will hopefully see even better videos. I need to get a lot smoother with the controls for the yaw and speed of the drone going when I'm looking at something and going around it. There is an automatic setting, and I'll show you that in a little bit, but I need to get a lot better, a lot smoother on the actual controls for this drone. This is, by the way, a Autel Evo 2 Pro, and very good drone, very solid drone, good camera. I just have a lot to get used to as far as using a better camera than what I have on my old Skydio. Now in this section of the video is me using the automated circle and video part of the drone. It's very nice, very smooth. It makes it look very nice, very professional as far as going around and videoing. And I like the features, easy to use, and works pretty well. When I started seeing the white ripples in the Missouri River, I thought that might be a barge or a boat or something, so I was trying to zoom in to see what it was, but it obviously is not a boat. But what's cool is in the very far back you can see the I-70 bridge that crosses the Missouri River, and then to the right you can see where the restaurant is or was. I don't think they're open right now anyway. On the Katy Trail there. So anyway, that is what I was doing in this particular part.